on the field from Foxborough, where Tom Brady has just jogged onto the field here this morning for the Patriots' first practice of training camp. And we have an update here for you on the legal battle that's now taking place as Tom Brady's 4-game suspension was upheld by Commissioner Roger Goodell yesterday afternoon. The NFLPA filing suit on Brady's behalf to have that suspension vacated. And an update now here this morning. The judge orders this case will now be transferred to Manhattan Court, where the NFL had filed to have their ruling confirmed. And for more on that, we want to bring in our NFL media insider, Ian Rappaport, with us here this morning. Ian, what more can you tell us about this case now being moved to Manhattan?
Well, Rich, just going through some of the documents that were officially filed this morning by Judge Kyle, one of the federal court judges in Minnesota. As you mentioned, it was ruled this case is now officially moved to New York, and the main reason given is because the NFL essentially filed first. Remember, even before Tom Brady and the NFLPA officially sued the league, they had asked a New York State, a New York-based federal judge to uphold the ruling, and because of the way the system works, the rule of whoever first files essentially gets the case, and federal judges are rarely will give up cases, especially of this magnitude. What Judge Kyle ruled is that the NFL essentially wins this legal battle, and they are able to have the case in New York. And among the reasons why is that Judge Kyle said he did not see any reason why the case should even have been filed in Minnesota to start with, considering you have a league based in New York, you have a team in the Patriots based in New England, you have an NFLPA based in D.C. None of that has to do with Minnesota, and so the NFL gets to have the case in New York instead of in Minnesota in front of, at least potentially in front of a judge that has at times awarded victories to the NFLPA.
Ian, so if this is step one in deciding where this case will be heard, as we know now here this morning, it will be heard in Manhattan federal court. So give us an idea then what step two is here as this case moves forward.
Well, yesterday, the judge who had been assigned the case in New York requested an expedited response from the NFLPA to the NFL's original filing. That was asked for mid-August. So at this point, considering the case we know now is going to be New York, we wait for the NFLPA to file the official response. And the hope, of course, from the PA side, from Tom Brady's side, and from the Patriots side, is to have an expedited ruling. So at the very least, the Patriots know who their starting quarterback is for week one of the season against the Steelers.
All right, our NFL media insider Ian Rappaport there with the latest here this morning on Tom Brady's legal battle here, as we now know that his case will be heard in Manhattan.